Good morning and thank you for joining us this Wednesday, the 1st of June. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The local market fell into the red yesterday as financials and technology sectors weighed down on the market after hawkish comments from the US Fed that moved US yields higher. Also weighing down on the market yesterday was the European Union's decision to pursue a ban on Russian oil. So this has been in discussion for a while now, and yesterday the EU agreed to a partial oil embargo on Russia over the invasion of Ukraine. So this aims to cut 90% of Russian crude imports by the end of the year and aims to reduce Russia's income to finance the war that it launched on Ukraine 3 months ago now. The ASX 200 closed 1% lower yesterday with all sectors red. Financials and tech were both down 2%, taking the biggest hit. This saw Zip, ZIP, EML Payments, EML, Megaport, MP1, Tyro Payments, TYR and Suncorp Group, SUN, decline the most yesterday. Suncorp was also yesterday downgraded by Morgan Stanley, who now rate SUN as underweight. As for the best performers, Beach Energy, BPT, De Grey Mining, DEG and Whitehaven Coal, WHC, fought against the market sell-off. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday were Lake Resources, LKE, Suncorp Group, SCG, and the BetaShares Geared Australian Equity Hedge Fund, GEAR. Over in the US, all three major benchmarks closed lower. The Dow Jones down 0.7%, the S&P 500 down 0.6%, and the Nasdaq down 0.4%. And the decline is set to continue today. Locally, the SPI futures are suggesting the Australian market will fall 0.36% at the open this morning. Now in commodities, the oil price is trading lower. OPEC is considering suspending Russia's participation in the cartel, and this could make room for other producers. And as mentioned earlier, the EU has agreed to ban 90% of Russian crude by the end of this year. So this embargo will cover Russian oil bought in by sea while keeping a temporary exemption for pipeline crude to meet the demands of Hungary, Slovakia and the Czech Republic. The gold price is also trading lower, weighed down by a rebound in the US dollar and firmer US Treasury yields. And iron ore is higher with better demand prospects in the market. In economic data at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, the GDP growth rate for Q1 will be announced. And keep watch of Western Areas WSA as today they'll vote on the company's nickel-lithium merger with IGO. Meanwhile, SZL will hold its AGM today, and United Malt Group, UMG, goes ex-dividend today. Also watch Nordic Nickel Limited, NNL, that lists on the ASX today. And to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintain a speculative buy rating on De Grey Mining, DEG, after the company released an updated mineral resource for its 100% owned Molina Gold project in Western Australia. The update demonstrated the potential to support a large-scale, long-life production scenario with operational flexibility and good margins. Bell Potter view the project as an attractive asset and a meaningful acquisition for any of the world's top gold production companies. They've increased their valuation on DEG by 5% to $1.80. And at its current share price of $1.13, this implies 59% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Strandline Resources, STA, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of 37 cents to the range of 44 to 46 cents over 22 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.